Well? What?
You were a friend. You were a friend of mine. I let you spend the night. You see, it was my fault.